By Nicholas Lardy, the Anthony M. Solomon Senior Fellow at the Peterson Institute for International Economics. He's also a longtime China watcher. Nicholas, it's good to have you here. What is your expectation about possible announcements or moves that the U.S. might make in response here?
Well, I think the main possibility is a revocation of Hong Kong's trading status in the United States. That's certainly one of the major areas where he could react in response to the security law that China is going to introduce in Hong Kong.
And what would the effect of that be, you think?
I think it would be teeny to non-existent. We buy almost nothing from Hong Kong that is made in Hong Kong. Most of what Hong Kong exports to us comes from China and Vietnam, Southeast Asian countries. And those goods are subject to the tariffs that apply to goods originating in those countries. So if Chinese goods come through Hong Kong, they're already subject to the high tariffs that apply if they're shipped directly from China. Hong Kong goods shipped to the United States last year were about $475 million, which is in trade terms approximately zero. So putting tariffs on that wouldn't have much effect on the Hong Kong economy.
I guess the bigger question is about Hong Kong as a global financial center. And again, I'm not sure it's an interest many Americans need to be bothered about, maybe some financial firms. There are tens of thousands of Americans who live in Hong Kong. Is it more about trying to undermine Hong Kong as a source of prosperity for the Chinese as it becomes more a part of China?
Well, that may be part of the president's thinking or Secretary Pompeo's thinking, but I think, quite frankly, it's mistaken. China does not rely very much anymore about funds raised in Hong Kong. Hong Kong was extremely important 10 years ago, but today not so much. They have a domestic stock market that's huge, where their companies can raise money. Some of them prefer to go to Hong Kong, but even if Hong Kong's role as a financial center was eroded, it would not have a significant effect on the Chinese economy. And keep in mind, the demise of Hong Kong as a financial center has been forecast over and over again, starting in 1997, and it's remained a very vibrant financial center. It is a complex ecosystem that supports that. They not only have the financial firms, they have the legal firms, the accounting firms, the credit rating agencies that are all operating in Hong Kong. So this infrastructure, if you will, this ecosystem, will not go away overnight, even if the Secretary of State declares that Hong Kong is no longer an autonomous area.